In the captivating world of avian intellect, the New Caledonian crow stands out with its tool-making abilities, demonstrating exceptional problem-solving skills in the wild. Not to be outdone, the African gray parrot showcases a remarkable vocabulary and the ability to comprehend concepts like numeracy and shapes, rivaling human toddlers' cognitive abilities. Then there's the kea, a bird from New Zealand that exhibits a playful curiosity and solves complex puzzles, considered one of the most intelligent birds globally. Finally, the Eurasian magpie, known for recognizing its reflection, highlights the concept of self-awareness in animals. Together, these birds provide intriguing insights into avian intelligence, breaking stereotypes and showcasing their sophisticated cognitive skills.